guys, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group, and today I'm in a beautiful community called Bellalago in Kissimmee. They are in closeout phase, so there's not a lot of homes left. I will flip the camera around and give you a tour of this beautiful model and see what you think of the inside. We are in the beautiful guard-gated community in Kissimmee. All of the construction is almost complete. So if you're looking for a single-family home in this community, now is the time. There's only one left in this floor plan. It's expected to be completed around December or January. And the listing price is $472,000. You have your first bedroom at the front of the home, a nice full-size bathroom over here. I've showed this floor plan many times, but if you're interested in this community, don't wait long because there's not a whole lot left. Over this way you have your flex room. Your 2-car garage. You have a total of 4 bedrooms. There's 3 bathrooms and 2,399 square feet of living space. We come into the beautiful kitchen where you have a big island. You have a nice big pantry. The dining room is over this way. If you want a formal dining room, you can have that over where your flex room space is. You have the laundry room with your washer and dryer. Another full-size bathroom, and then your bedrooms. This is the second bedroom. And then you have your third bedroom. Some of your amenities include a clubhouse. There's a fitness center, pool, tennis, basketball courts, a playground, and even walking trails where you can also ride your bike. A big gathering room, and your covered lanai with a beautiful view of the water. This is the model, so it has been sold. But there's one lot available with this floor plan being built right now. And then last but not least, you have your primary bedroom suite. This is a great 1-story floor plan. I love how this room is decorated. It's really, really spectacular. And again, you have another beautiful view outside. If you're interested in this community, there's about 6 different floor plans left. And you have anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, going all the way up to 3,422 square feet. I hope you've enjoyed my video tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call.
Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.